Need money? Find out how to make money fast with these creative ways to make $100 a day. Do you want to learn how to make $100 a day? I get it. You are frustrated. You keep reading articles that promise you ways to make money but don't actually deliver. But this time, you are in the right place. "36 Creative Ways to Make $100 a Day." April 5, 2021. This article may contain links from our partners. We may receive a small commission if you make a purchase through a link. Please read our disclosure and how we make money. Need money? Find out how to make money fast with these creative ways to make $100 a day. Do you want to learn how to make $100 a day? I get it. You are frustrated. You keep reading articles that promise you ways to make money but don't actually deliver. But this time, you are in the right place. I've been working on ways to make money online for over 5 years now, and I learned a trick or two on my way to creating a six-figure income. I am not going to lie. The reality is that you will have to put in some work to earn cash. But there are some clever real ways to make money out there if you are up for the challenge. This is what making more money can do for you. Help you to save money and pay off your debt. Pay your bills at the end of the month. Help you stop living paycheck to paycheck. Allow you to reach financial freedom. It can even help you to leave a job you hate. Plus, you could retire sooner if you want to. One of the best things you can do to make money fast is to invest in your networking at work. Spend time learning as much as possible and get a raise or promotion. This alone could help you to make an extra $100 a day in no time. But if you are still a student, a stay-at-home mom or dad, or are looking for alternative ways to make money, I've got you covered. Let's dive into it. Here are the best ways to make money in 2020. No matter what your skills are, you can find something that's right up your alley. How to make $100 a day. 36 creative ways to make money. Making extra money doesn't have to be hard. There are lots of money-making opportunities out there. If you are willing to put an hour or two a day into something you are passionate about instead of watching Netflix or looking at Instagram, you'll be surprised at what you can achieve. And remember, if you want to reach your goal of making $100 or more a day online or offline, simply combine a number of these money-making ideas. And the dollars will add up quickly. 1. Take part in research, up to $150 per hour. If you want to make $100 or more in a day, this is the perfect place to start without much experience or skills. You can share your opinion in focus groups. Companies are looking for qualified people to join their research studies, and you don't necessarily need to be a professional to participate. Last week I received an invite to participate in a beauty study, $150 for an hour of my time. Not bad for answering some questions about my hair care routine. User Interviews is a legit company that provides qualified research respondents to whoever needs it. And they now recruit people internationally. The pay goes from $75 for 30 minutes of your time to $450 for very specific 1-hour studies. User Interviews has diverse studies covering many topics: technology, food, consumer goods, family, software, hobbies, pets, sports, transportation, beauty, social media, music, you name it. They have some incredible clients, including Pinterest, Spotify, Vistaprint, Wayfair, Thumbtack, and more. This is how it works. You apply to participate in studies that you think are a good fit for you. The researcher, sponsor of the study, reviews responses and sends invitations to the best fit respondents. If you receive an invitation to participate, you choose a time that suits you from those made available by the researcher. After you have completed the study, you are paid via PayPal, cash, or Amazon gift cards. More ways to earn $100 in an hour. If you are interested in earning money with focus groups, another top-rated legit company is Respondent.io. Respondent.io is always looking for industry professionals, parents, and students. They have projects that are available to US residents as well as international. This means you don't have to be in the US to join and earn from $50 to $250 per research. All you need to join is a PayPal account and either Facebook or LinkedIn to connect your profile. Two, get paid to take surveys. Taking surveys online is an easy, no-brainer way of making extra cash. I tried many survey sites to see which ones work best. Most survey sites aren't great. It takes too long to make enough money, and you never qualify. But Swagbucks and Survey Junkie are legit. They are hands down my two favorite survey companies to make a bit of extra cash. If you want to make money with surveys, just sign up here. Swagbucks, my favorite app for surveys and cashback. I made over $200 in less than a year. You will get a free $5 bonus when you sign up. Survey Junkie, a great survey selection to choose from, easy to qualify and earn money. My favorite survey-only website. These two surveys are rated excellent on Trustpilot and have thousands of reviews. And having tried them both, I have to agree. Another survey company that I like is LifePoints. It's available in 40 countries, and there are plenty of surveys to choose from. Each one takes 10 minutes or less. Most of these surveys can be taken while watching your favorite TV series. You definitely won't get rich or make $100 a day with surveys alone, but you won't waste much time, and it will help you get there by making an extra $5 to $10 a day. And if you love surveys as a way to make some quick cash, check out my other favorites here. 3. Become a shopper. If you love shopping around, how about doing it for others? With Instacart, you will work as an independent contractor delivering groceries for other people. There's great potential to make good money, especially right now. You could make up to $25 per hour during busy times, although the average is between $10 to $20 per hour. It couldn't be easier. You get offered the order, you shop the order, you get paid. You make your own schedule and pick your orders, and the flexibility is what makes it so great, especially if you have limited time or are a stay-at-home mom or a student. 4. Get paid to watch videos online. Inbox Dollars is a cool website to make some cash with surveys. Plus, you can also make money by watching movie previews, TV shows, celebrity videos, the latest news, and many other videos. And you'll get a $5 bonus just for signing up. But how does it work? That's easy. Simply head to inboxdollars.com and log in to see the list of videos available for you to watch. You'll watch videos on your phone or laptop. Inbox Dollars then rewards you for watching them with your choice of free cash or gift cards for popular brands. You need to watch all of the shows in a specific playlist, so be prepared and get the popcorn ready. You can check out how long the playlist runs before you start watching, and playlists range from a few minutes to about a half hour. It's possible to earn over $200 a month watching these videos. 5. Wrap your car. Do you own a car? How about placing advertising on it and get paid? With Wrapify you can get paid up to $452 for having your car wrapped with an ad. You need to download the Wrapify app, and then they will track your journeys until you reach 50 miles. Once you reach 50 miles, you're eligible to take part in a campaign. Each campaign will place ads on your car for 1 to 12 months. During that time you will be earning free money every month. To be eligible to take part in a campaign, you need to be 21 or older, have a clean driving and criminal record, have a car that is from 2008 or newer. I think this is a cool way to make money, but it's also a great idea to generate passive income. 6. Sell your crafts. If you are a creative person, did you ever think about selling your crafts on websites like Etsy? When Dan and I were 17, we came up with the idea of selling salt dolls for Christmas. Well, believe it or not, in a couple of months, we managed to make over $1,000. By making and selling your crafts, you can set your own hours, spend your days producing items that you enjoy making, and earn some money in the process. The trick here is to make sure you actually make items that will sell. 7. Download these two apps and make $125 by going online. Get the Nielsen app and make $50 a year. In the old days, Nielsen used to collect data by tracking TV ratings. But now, they have moved on, and they would like to get people like you to help them study the future of the online world. By simply installing their app on your smartphone, they will pay you $50 a year if you are in the US. The app will collect statistics on what websites you go to and how long you stay there. All the data collected is anonymous, and it's not linked to you at all. Install UpVoice Edge extension and earn $75 or more. UpVoice is a new passive user panel that pays users $75 in Amazon gift cards for regularly browsing specific sites like YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Amazon. While you browse, UpVoice passively collects data about the ads you see and match it with the demographics data to create marketing insights for brands. It's currently available in two new forms, a Windows 10 app or an extension for the Edge browser. And you don't have to worry about the security of your data. Any data UpVoice shares with their clients is always anonymized and aggregated, and they never share any personal information nor target or monitor individual users. 8. Make an extra $100 pet sitting. If you love animals, pet sitting is a great way to make extra money. Pet sitting is extremely flexible because you decide when to do it, and you can fit it around your own schedule. It's easy to do even if you work full time, as you can spend time during the weekend looking after our little friends. Rover is the perfect place to start. It offers different services to pet owners, and once you have registered with them, you will be able to decide which one you want to offer to your potential clients: dog walking, doggy daycare, house sitting, dog boarding. 9. Teach anything online to kids. And I really mean anything. From cooking to coding. Did you know that you could make over $10,000 a month teaching online, as Jade does? Online teaching is forever changing the way kids learn at school and from home. And if you are passionate about sharing your knowledge, you can benefit from this revolution. All you need is an internet connection and a laptop, and you can start to make money today. And you don't need to be a traditionally qualified teacher. You just have to love teaching kids under 18. Places like OutSchool let you teach any sort of subject from the comfort of your own home. You can teach classical subjects like English and math, or fun classes like acting, singing or sketching. Listing class is free, and OutSchool will provide you with the perfect platform to host classes online. Teachers on OutSchool earn an average of $35 per teaching hour. But you have full control over the listed price for a class and the number of participants. OutSchool will take 30% of your earnings for their support services. Once your class starts, you will receive payment via PayPal. Teaching online is an incredible way to make extra money, especially during this time. 10. Get paid to play games online. Do you spend endless hours playing games on your phone when you have nothing to do? How about getting paid to do that? You can. Mistplay is a legit Android app that pays you to play. It has over 78,000 reviews on Google Play, and it averages a score of 4 stars. If you want to start making money, download the app. Install a game in your list. After 2 to 5 minutes of playing, you will start earning units. Share your feedback on the game with developers to earn extra units. Developers will use your feedback to improve the games before launching them on the market officially. Once you reach enough units, you can redeem them for free gift cards, including Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Google Play, iTunes, PlayStation gift cards, and more. You will not get rich just by using this app, but it's a great way to earn some extra money by doing something you already do. $11. Get paid to walk. We all know we need to stay active to keep fit, and you are probably trying to get to your 10,000 steps a day every day. How about getting paid for that? You can. Apps like Sweatcoin will reward you for every step you take. This app helps me be even more motivated to stay fit, take the stairs an extra time a day, and walk more. Will you make $100 a day just by using Sweatcoin? No way, not even close. But it's a free cool app that can get you some nice rewards for something you already do. 12. Become a virtual assistant and earn up to $4,000 per month. You can earn some great money working from home for a few hours a day by becoming a virtual assistant, up to $35 to $50 per hour. Virtual assistants need to have strong administrative skills, be highly organized, and be familiar with blogging, social media. There are different types of tasks a virtual assistant can help a business with. Some businesses use a VA to keep up with emails, customer service online, blogging updates, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or Pinterest. If you want to find out more about becoming a virtual assistant and all the tasks you can offer to potential clients, I strongly advise you to read Abby's story. Abby has created a successful VA business, and within 1 month, yes, that's not a typo, she was fully booked and able to work her own hours from home while being a mum. You can learn how to do the same by checking out her free training by clicking here. 13. Answer questions for money. If you are in the US, you could earn up to $100,000 a year, yep, that's not a typo, by answering questions online. Just Answer connects doctors, software engineers, plumbers, lawyers, and other experts to people that need answers to questions. You just need a computer or smartphone and an internet connection. You can set your own hours, pick which questions to answer, and earn cash by helping people online. Just make sure you have the right skills, and you can simply sign up for free, and you'll be paid monthly via PayPal. 14. Freelancing. If you have some skills, you could put them to good use and do extra freelance work from home. But how can you find a freelance opportunity? There are plenty of websites that will help you to find a side job to work part-time from home. You can work for a few hours a day as a proofreader, virtual assistant, bookkeeper, writer, social media manager, tutor, transcriptionist. The options are infinite, and you could be making up to $100 an hour. The best way to find freelancing gigs is to register to these great websites. FlexJobs, WeWorkRemotely.com, Remote.co. 15. Drive people around. If you need to get $100 fast and own a car, driving people around in your spare time can be a great way of earning the extra cash you need in no time. The best companies to sign up with are Uber, Lyft. You need to consider car depreciation and the money you are spending on gas, but if you are clever about the trips you accept to do and don't drive too far for a pickup, you'll be able to make an extra $100 in a day. 16. Deliver food. If sharing a car with strangers isn't for you, and you'd much rather share it a burger and some fries, or a pizza, then delivering food might be your best option. There are some great companies out there that will help you earn some extra cash on the side by delivering food in your free time, in the evening, or on weekends. For example, you can sign up for Postmates for free in just a few minutes. There are no fees or time commitments, so you take home 100% of what you earn every time you complete a delivery. You can get paid by free weekly deposits, or you can cash out instantly anytime you want. All you need is a smartphone to download the app and select your first delivery. Check out Postmates, DoorDash, Uber Eats. 17. Deliver for Amazon. Another way to make money is to make deliveries for Amazon Flex. You can make between $18 to $25 per hour, which means you could make $100 a day by simply working 4 hours. But how does it work? You pick up packages from one of their Amazon facilities or businesses, download an app that gives you the quickest delivery route to follow, and deliver the packages. You can set the times you can work and build your schedule around your needs. There are opportunities 7 days a week, so it doesn't really matter when you are free.